Hello guys, welcome to the Veil Craft. So today I'll be sharing with you on how to edit my photos using bright or light and airy presets and how to achieve it. So there are a few steps on how to do it. So kung gusto nyo malaman, watch this. Okay guys, here's my Lightroom and I have my wedding photos here. This was taken 5 years ago and let's edit this one. But before that, let's reset this one first. Alright. O nga pala, there are two ways to import your photos in Lightroom. First, you go to Library, then select File, and go to Import Photos and Video. Or just simply drag your photos in Lightroom and then select Import. Alright, let's jump into Develop. There are a few steps or simple steps to achieve the bright and airy look na gusto nyo. And first thing to adjust is the exposure. I'll bring up the exposure. Alright, and then add some contrast. And I will bring down the highlights, bring back the details, and I'll add some shadows to pass it to 20. Bring down the whites, and I will bring up the blacks. The next, I will go to clarity and adjust to positive 10, and I will adjust the vibrance to positive 15. Color. Then I will go to tone curve. You know what, tone curve is a powerful tool in Lightroom because it can affect the overall brightness or overall contrast of the image. By using this tool, it gives bright or it gives dark of the image. So first thing to do, let's put some 3 points here and adjust the shadows. So here's the shadows, below is the shadows, and the middle is the midtones and the highlights. And I will bring down the highlights and bring up the shadows. Alright. And next, I will go to color to adjust the skin tone. Adjust the orange. Right, then I will increase the luminance to -5. And I will add some new. Then next, go to green and add some new. And I will add some saturation and bring up the luminance. So here's the before and after. And then I will go down to lens correction, enable profile corrections. The next, I will go down to calibration, add some saturation to red primary, green primary, and then blue primary. And I will go up to adjust the white balance. Now I will increase the temperature a little bit and I will add some temp. So here's the before and after. Let's expand this one, resume this one. Here's the before and after. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope that you like this video, and please subscribe, like, and share for more tutorial videos. Please visit or subscribe to Velcraft. Thank you and God bless.